Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Luxor buffet. Remember that this is an MGM hotel, so don't forget to take your M-Life card along to collect extra points or receive a discount. If you play any of the My Vegas games, you could receive a 2-for-1 discount or even a free buffet. If you don't know what My Vegas is, I've made a video about it explaining how it works, and I'll leave the link for that in the description box below. First of all, I'm going to get right into pricing information, and then I'm going to take you a walk around the buffet and show you what food's on offer. Adult prices for breakfast is $19.99, lunch $20.49 and dinner is $24.99. Saturday Sunday brunch is $23.49. Remember that prices vary on holidays and at weekends. This buffet also has an all-you-can-drink option for $11.99 per person. If you buy the unlimited buffet pass, you can go between the Luxor and Excalibur buffet all day. As you'll know, the Luxor has a pyramid theme and inside the buffet area is decorated accordingly. As I mentioned before, there is an unlimited drink option, which we didn't take advantage of this time because we were flying out later that evening. Other drinks are self-service, unlike in the Aria and the Mirage, where waiting staff will come and fill up your drinks. This video was filmed at the brunch buffet. If you would like to know what food is available at other times of the day, I'll leave the link in the description box below. The first thing that I would like to say about this buffet is that even though it had some good selections, I felt as if a lot of the food didn't accompany each other very well. While I was walking around choosing the food, I felt as if I was picking some things that I liked, but then I didn't have anything else to put on my plate that went with it. I realised that buffets are all about mix and match and just putting everything on your plate at once, but I really felt as if a lot of the things just didn't go together very well. This could be partially down to cultural differences, as many of the food served in America are served a lot differently in Scotland, but I didn't experience any problems like this at any of the other buffets. I must say I was quite surprised at the food selection in the Luxor this year. While I was visiting there last year, I went to the Luxor buffet twice at dinner time, and they had a steak station on the Saturday. The steak was absolutely amazing and the food selection was really good for the price. While I was visiting this year, I would definitely say that the Luxor brunch buffet was the worst one that we visited the whole time we were there. If you do collect any My Vegas rewards on this, I would definitely save your reward for the dinner time buffet, as it is a lot better. As you can see here, there's a huge selection of salad and fresh fruit. That's not typically the food that I'll go for at a buffet, but that is a good selection for some people. The Luxor brunch buffet also didn't have any seafood available, so if you're a fan of seafood, I would definitely avoid this one. Another problem that I had with this buffet is that a lot of the food didn't have labels. I think it's essential that every single item is labelled so that you know what you're eating. I found myself asking total strangers if they knew what the food was, and half of them didn't even have a clue. The desserts didn't have any labels on them at all, so you had to ask the woman behind the counter what everything was. With that being said, all of the desserts that I tried here were absolutely delicious. Even though they didn't have the biggest selection of desserts in the world, they definitely had a good variety. While I was walking around this buffet, I felt as if I was just picking up random things for the sake of trying them. I didn't feel like I actually got a good meal, and therefore I didn't feel like it was good value for money, and actually the best part about this buffet was probably the desserts. Let me know in the comment section if you've visited the Luxor buffet before and what you thought of it. I've posted some reviews of other buffets in Vegas along with some tips and tricks of visiting Vegas, which I'll leave at the end of this video. If you would like to support this channel, you can do so at my PayPal me address, which is linked in the description box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!